Okay, hey guys, this is where I've gotten so far. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, I'm telling you, even in the bright of day, this light sucks. I'm just now starting the shading on some of the flower. This all looks bad still because it's still about the second coat. I'm just trying to put in like the darken lights, the shadings and the highlights. And then when I go over it with another color, it will look completely different. But I'm going to film actually how I get these colors on this one. But because it's going to take too long to actually film me doing the whole thing, I figured at least if I saved one flower and I could film the whole entire, flower, including the blues and the purples that go in here. But so far, like I said, this is as far as I've gotten. I really like the way the background turned out. I'm going to try to put it a little bit more away so you can actually see the colors. Let me turn this off. Yeah, you can see the colors a little better right there. So yeah, I'm really liking the way the background came out. Okay, and then another thing, I ordered some diamond paintings and I just got them from Amazon. So I wanted to open these. You can see what they are. I'm so excited. So I ordered 3. I ordered one that was a double beach one, which is this one. And then I ordered this one that I'm going to do for my daughter. Because a lot of you that follow me know that my daughter's into kind of the 60s hippie, stoner, stuff like that vibe. So I saw this one, I thought this would be perfect for her. So here's, of course, the tools that come with everyone. Here's the drills. And then my friend Wanda from Rolling Through Life was telling everybody one time that if you kind of go backwards this way, it'll kind of break up the canvas. And oh, I noticed this canvas isn't like the last one I had. This is more kind of like a thicker cross stitch canvas. That's really nice. But here's the diamond painting. It's a mushroom. And on the picture from Amazon, I mean, it looked really pretty. It looked nice and bright. It's really very sticky. So that came out nice. So this is going to be the one that I'm actually going to be working on in the morning, like in between my painting and stuff. So I'm going to put this one aside, since that will be the next one I'm working on. I'll take care of that in a second. So here's the beach ones. So the first beach one is like, has a palm tree, and then it has 2 of those, how do you call them, Adirondack chairs that are sitting on the sand. So let's check that out. Oh, the same kind of fabric. I like that better than the last one I had. So I'm going to do the same. Let me try to flip it over. I won't mess with it now because I'm not working on this right now. But this is what this one looks like. Kind of cut it in a wonky way right there. I hope they didn't wreck the one that's coming up next. But here is a picture of what that one looks like. So there's that. Can't wait, because when I get a place of my own, I'm gonna decorate a lot of it in like a beachy theme. Hoping to move towards a body of water, even if it's a lake. I still want that water theme. It makes me happy. It makes me feel really relaxed. Let's see. So I'll just add what it looks like. Fit it in here. Okay, so this goes in here. Beads. Oh, it's not as easy to put the stuff back in as it is to take it out. I'm just going to tape it. Just do this. So I know that goes with that. So then here's the other one. Extra tools there. So this one's a pretty one. Actually, I've seen this picture before and I wanted to paint this picture. But then when I was going through these last night looking at diamond paintings, I found it and I thought, oh, I'll just do a diamond painting of it. So there's that. And here's this one. Isn't that pretty? And then the actual picture is right there. That's going to be really nice. Really excited. I really like the fabric that they used. Looks like it would be a lot more sturdier. So let's see if I can wrap this one right. Get it back where it goes. Here, what they were before. All right, so check this out left or right. Okay, so I'm going to put this back in here where it goes. So I know where everything is at. These ones, I'll take this extra 2 trays. These ones I'm going to store in my cabinet since it's going to take me a while to get to these. So over here in the cabinet it goes. And I will stick it right here on the top corner so it doesn't get bent or anything. And then these, I'll show you my little way that I do these. Oh, and here's the last diamond painting I did. I finished this one, but I haven't framed it yet, so I need to find a frame for this one. So I'm going to actually stick this in here to keep it safe. Until I can get downtown and get a frame for it. And this one I will stick under here with all my papers. Anyway, so this is how I do mine. I got this box from Ulta for my birthday. I think I showed you guys this before. And then I have my little tray that has all my beads and stuff in it. And I have like all these extra beads. And my extra pack that I bought. So I'm going to take this one and this one. Actually, I think I'm going to put these away in the cabinet, because I don't need them. Because I have this like multi picker upper with a single one. I'm sure it's not what it's called, but so I go in there. So these are all my extra ones. I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do with them. The last diamond painting I got, they sent me an extra 1 and 2. That was weird. And I'll just put it in this little mesh bag. This is the extra little tool kit that I bought last time. It comes with some extra trays, some extra wax, an extra single one. This one holds 5, so this one must hold like maybe 7 or 8, because this one's a 5 one. I use this one all the time. And then, of course, another green tray. So it's nice to have these, I guess, if like my mom does hers, I think in a row. So if you wanted to put like, if you're working on 4 different colors, you can use as many of these trays, because each diamond painting comes with its own tray. So now I have 3, 4, 5, about 6 of these ones. So I could work like that if I wanted to, but I just do colors at a time. That seems to work out for me. So I'm going to stick all my little extra drills in there with all my little extra tools. And keep everything as organized as I can. And only leave out this tray that I'm using, and then I have this roller. I showed you guys that before, that I used especially just for my diamond painting, so I can roll them. And then I'll go through my drills and fix those, so everything gets closed up and put to the side. But anyway, so there's my little mail opening from Amazon, my diamond paintings. I'm so excited. So I will be working on this more tomorrow, trying to let one of the layers dry, but I actually am going to be filming all of this, so you'll be able to see how I did the flowers, because this alone is going to take about half an hour, and then I'm going to go back over those. But anyway, I will film more about it tomorrow. It's about time I get ready to make something for dinner. Anyway, thank you guys again for coming to my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope everybody's enjoying what I'm putting out. And I guess I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.